electricity theory. This is EMS. EMS, why I make it in at the first one. This one is becoming very popular these recent years. They are using the electricity to give the energy to the muscle, and then through the nerve to the muscle, and to help the muscle to shrink and loose, shrink and loose, like that. And then it will help the body to do exercises negatively. So you don't need to move, but your muscle can do exercises. And then it is starting to become very popular because many people, and they don't have enough time, or they are not sportive enough, but they want to have a very slim body and they want to have some muscles, and they go to beauty salon and to use this machine to do treatment. So it is suddenly become very, very popular. And this machine is very safe. It's not dangerous. It's not a dangerous machine. It's not very sensitive. And for regulation, it's fine. It's not, so far as I know, not too many countries are prohibiting this technology.